Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am sharing one of my favorite healthy, spicy, colorful recipe, sweet potato chickpea avocado chaat masala salad. It's filling, flavorful and perfect for lunch, dinner or even meal prep. Let's start the recipe. First, take two small sweet potatoes and cut them into a bite-sized cubes. Transfer them into a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of chipotle red pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of a chaat masala powder and 1 teaspoon of a cumin powder. Mix everything really well so each piece is evenly coated with spices. Let the sweet potatoes rest for about 10 minutes. This helps the flavor absorb beautifully. Now cilantro mint chutney dressing. Now let's make a fresh herby cilantro mint chutney dressing in a blender. Add 1 cup of a fresh cilantro, 4 mint leaves, 2 garlic cloves, 1 green chilli, half a lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of a salt, 2 tablespoons of a Greek yogurt and 2 tablespoons of a water. Now blend everything together until smooth and creamy dressing. This dressing is fresh, tangy and ties the whole salad together. Now it's time to air frying the sweet potatoes. Now add the marinated sweet potatoes into a Ninja air fryer. You can use any air fryer oven. Bake it at 380 Fahrenheit for 12 minutes, flipping them halfway through. They should turn golden, slightly crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Don't forget to spray olive oil before the baking. Now assembling the chaat salad. Once the sweet potato are ready, in a large bowl add baked sweet potatoes, 1 cup cooked chickpeas, half a chopped onion, 1 chopped tomatoes and 1 cube avocados. Now pour over the cilantro mint chutney dressing. Add cilantro, add a little extra salt, half teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon and 1 teaspoon chaat masala powder to taste. You can adjust. Gently mix everything so the avocado stays intact. Now for the final topping and serving. To finish, top the chaat with pomegranate seeds, for sweetness, roasted peanuts for crunch, then fresh cilantro, a drizzle of a sweet yogurt and a few mint leaves. Now serve it with a healthy crackers or enjoy it just as it is. This chaat is a spicy, tangy, creamy, crunchy and incredibly satisfying. If you enjoy this healthy chaat recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments if you try it and I will see you in my next video. Bye.